Okay, so now we are in the KL Bird Park and I brought some friends. So yeah, we're exploring.
Okay, I know you saw.
Peacock feeding point. This bird is like following.
It's awesome. It's like. That's the one I've always wanted to see.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't know that was
Huh. It's pretty. Wow, his eye, is that his eyes?
Hello.
Wow. Hey birdie.
Oh, I like that.
All the birds. No, it's fine. It's so cute. Aww. Aww. The stragglers in the back. Aww. Oh, his legs. It's okay, babe. Oh, these are so pretty. Pretty.
Come on guys, good evening guys. Alright, thank you. Okay guys, now, first of all, my name is Martin and I'm your host for today. Alright guys, now, let's start with a little info about Kuala Lumpur Bird Park, right? Now, Kuala Lumpur Bird Park was opened on 15th February 1991 and we are about 21 acres and housing more than 3,000 birds from foreign and local. Go, I suppose some pretty ladies here, go. Alright, now. Go, can you say something to the lady, go? Hi. Ooh, I gotta say hi to the ladies. Alright, now ladies, can you say hi to Coco? Come on, ladies. Hi. Alright, they say hi to you. But Coco, they won't bring you up, alright? 1, 2.